Hey, my friends over at Genmitsu sent me their new kiosk laser engraving machine. This one is 2.5 watt, but it comes in 2.5, 5, and 10 watt. I'm excited to get started playing around with this thing, so let's go get it opened. Okay, let's see what's in the box. You get your user manual, that's to be expected. Giant piece of styrofoam. Let's see if I can get this to just lift out. Come at it from the side. Cool. In the bottom of the box there's some sample engraving material, a couple pieces of wood. Okay, and there's the machine itself, which has the nice safety glass here. You can only use it if you have your cover closed. Move the last of that. Slide this over for a minute. Let's take a look here. So here you got the power adapter, tools and accessories, and some laser safety glasses. So I assume the laser safety glasses are just like all the other pairs I have. Pretty much exact. Set that aside. It's power adapter. Don't really need to look at it this second. Let's see what tools and accessories came in this box. Turn on the light. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Okay, looks like a marker, the USB drive with the installation of the software, I would assume. Paintbrush, more engraving materials. A nice heavy-duty USB-C cable. What's under here? The actual laser modules right here. Like I said, mine is the 2.5 version, but it comes in others. Let's get some stuff out of the way here and see how hard it is to install this guy. It's right there, and this here is really cool. This actually is how you focus it. You'll put it down, you'll lower it to right there, lock it in place, and put it right up. It's pretty ingenious, and I love it. Let's see if I can see inside. Okay, well, that makes it easier. So if you look in here, you'll see the track here. So there's only one spot that this laser module can go, and you will just slide it into the track. It's hard to do, holding it like this. Then you have this little locking lever here, and that is how you're gonna actually hold it in place once you have it where you want it. And then when you want to adjust your focus, you'll just release this, put your little focus arm down, lower it to where you want it, lock it, put your focus arm back up. But now that's locked into place, we just take this one cable, and we will hook it right in here on the side of the module. It's very hard to do with the camera between me and the machine. I believe it goes this way. There we go. There's that. That's all that's required for assembling this thing. And this is just removable in case you wanted to engrave something bigger than this area. There we go. I look forward to seeing what I can do with this thing.